Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we were doing, or you can say, we were solving the questions of chapter 1, right? So, today I am going to discuss a very important thing. Important things when we are writing a C program. Every time we are writing these things, right? Let me show you. So, sorry, let me show you here in our first program. So this is right, so this is not. So you have seen that in every program we have to write this one, right? So why we are writing this one? We can make a short of this, right? So we can make it make a snippet, right? So code snippet. So when we enter something, some maybe one word, then this will be automatically inserted, right? So every time we don't have to just write these things again and again. So to avoid the repetition of these same things, we are today going to create a snippet, right? C snippet. So let us see how to create that. So for this you have to click here in the settings button, then configure user snippets. Okay, so you have to write just C, right? So for C programming we are going to write this, right? So this is the section, right? So you can see, place your snippets for C here. Each snippet is defined under a snippet name and has a prefix, body and description. The prefix is what is used to trigger the snippets. The prefix means, right, the prefix means is the word you will enter, the snippet will be inserted, uh, and the body will be expanded and inserted. Possible variables are, these are the possible variables, right? The final cursor position, these are the things. So what we have to do, so let us uncomment this all, right? So for uncommenting, you can select all of these lines, then command forward slash, or in Windows control forward slash, I guess. Okay, so here you can name it. So I am naming it C. Okay, and here we have to write the code. So what we want to do, we want hash include, right, stdio dot h, right? Then our next line, that should be int main, right? Then our next line, that is this one, right? Then comma, next line, that is a just empty, right? Because we want nothing in that line. Then return 0, right? Okay, so in this line we have a semicolon, right? Then we have the end of that curly braces, right? Okay, so is this okay? So let us save and check that it is working or not. So we have to restart. So after saving we have to restart, right? So let's restart that folder. You can click here also, or you can click here in the recent section, C program, right? This is my folder. So this one was our program. So let's delete and hit C. You can see this is our snippet, right? If you hit enter, then this snippet will be entered into your screen. So you can see this is automatically here. So in this way you can make your own snippet, right, for loop, for anything. We have not discussed yet about for loop. So this was our snippet section. So in this way we have created. If you want to edit this, then you can go again in the snippet section. So see, right, so sorry for C, this is CSS. So this was our snippet, right? So you can give here a tab, right? So this is okay. So there was a problem, you cannot hit tab, you just hit the space bar. Okay, so hit save and then you just restart. Okay, so this was for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And you can watch my complete C playlist. I will add the link in the description below. So thank you guys.